Mary. So I wanted to ask you a question. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 meaning that you have confidence that these problems can be solved, and 1 means that you have no confidence at all, where would you put yourself today?
I would have to say a 5, right? Just right down the middle. I'm just right there, right at a 5.
Okay. So if I were to ask your boyfriend where he thinks you're at on the same scale, what do you suppose he would say?
He definitely would put me at a 7 or an 8, I think.
Okay. What do you suppose he would say is the reason he's more confident about you solving your problem?
Well, he's just in general more of a confident person, and so he uses that confidence to back me up. And so he doesn't understand that I have more difficulty being confident than he does. So he naturally is going to have a higher number, I feel like.
Okay, on the same scale, how hopeful are you that your problem can be solved?
About an 8.
8? Okay. What would be different in your life just to move up one step? Let's say from an 8 to a 9.
Well, I would have to not be so upset with myself all the time. And part of that is I have to stand up to my mother. I mean, she's always telling me what to do and driving me crazy. And if I can just do that, then I wouldn't be so upset with myself, I think.
Okay. If your boyfriend were here and we were to ask him what he thinks it would take, what do you think he would say?
He would also say I need to stand up to my mom more.
And you agree with that?
Yeah, I do. He's right.
Okay.
She's pretty tough though. She's a pretty powerful lady, so I know it'll be hard, but.
And what do you suppose he would say it would take for you to stand up to her?
I would probably have to stop drinking first and be able to focus more on doing that.
Okay. So let me ask you this. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being you're very interested, most interested, and 0 being the least interested, how interested are you in wanting to stop drinking?
I have to. I mean, it's just killing me. I'm going to have to go, I would say, from 1 to 10, an 8. I would say I'm at an 8.
Okay.
I have to stop drinking, especially because when I get upset with my mother, then that's what I do. And it's a vicious cycle.
That's a lot of, it says a lot that you're an 8. You know, you're very interested in wanting to stop drinking. So what's the first thing you need to do to stop drinking?
Maybe stand up to my mother, and that way we don't get stuck in an argument, and then I get upset with myself because I was arguing with her again, and that's what I do.